Hi guys, today we're making turkey taco lasagna. You'll need black beans, green chilies, minced garlic, cottage cheese, onion, shredded cheese, canned tomatoes, oven-ready lasagna sheets, salsa, spices and seasoning, ground turkey, and avocado oil. Start by cooking the turkey in a large skillet along with onions and garlic. Next, add all the seasonings, including salt and pepper. Give it all a good stir, and it's time to add the chilies, black beans, canned tomatoes, and beef broth, which I forgot to show in the intro. Whoops! Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and spoon some of the salsa into the bottom of a casserole dish. Now it's time to layer all the ingredients, you know the drill, ending with a layer of shredded cheese. Bake until hot and melty. Yum! It's time to eat. Get the full printable recipe along with additional information at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.